different ways lead to the market. Same way, when it comes to expression of beauty, I mean outward beauty, it can be done in different ways as well. And that is why on this channel we've decided to be carrying every lady along, regardless of your choice or preference of hairstyle. You most definitely get something here on this channel that will inspire your preference, that will inspire your choice. You know, I said it from the beginning that everyone will be carried along on this very channel, and that is what inspires today's video, as you are seeing those lovely low-cut hairstyle for those beautiful, gorgeous ladies rolling by one after the other. And one thing about all these lovely, fantastic, creative concepts of imagination that has brought into reality is that all these ladies are full of confidence that will make you exude confidence, that will make you to raise your head up high whenever you find yourself getting intimidated by those wearing braids. Hi guys, you are welcome back to BJ's TV's World and Airwaves, where we showcase the very best and the latest trendy and quality hairstyles for the ladies. Today we are celebrating our ladies that do carry low cut hairstyles, and just sit back, relax and enjoy this video to the fullest from the beginning to the end, for you not to miss a single haircut in this very video. And all props and credit in this video goes to those creative hands, great minds that came up with all these fantastic creative concepts when it comes to haircut for the ladies. Pick up to them, sit back, relax and enjoy it. Give this video a thumbs up, share with family and friends for so you will spread the trend of African resistance styles across the globe. And please help us to share our videos. Sharing our videos is one way of you helping the channel to grow, and we shall be very gracious to you in doing that. Sit back, relax and enjoy it. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never